Alright, we're trying to pull the dead cat tractor in, and it doesn't want to move. It's 50,000 pounds dead weight, so we got two old Versatiles hooked up to the front. 550 horse pulling 550 horse. Let's go. Oh, hell yeah, dude. You got two tractors pulling a big dead one. That worked good. 895, 875, 865. Wow, that works nice. So that tractor had a fire in the field, and we're trying to put it in the shop to fix it. That worked pretty good there, bud. I like that. All right, I'll put this one back in the north piece. Old iron, baby. Clutch brake don't work. Just taking her slow and steady. Because, yeah, this thing had a fire. And it no longer drives. But we put it out in relatively good time. So, not too much damage. He's got a class 1, so let's see if he's really a professional driver. Is he gonna make this corner? Or is this thing just gonna pull him around? Oh, that's close. Oh, we're losing grip. I think he's trying to yank it around not to hit the ditch, but he's doing a pretty good job. Not too shabby. Oh, we're going to the ditch. Yeah, buddy. There you go, not too bad. Now we got to somehow get it in there, because we can't drive it in. We have to push it. All right, we're getting all the snow cleaned off of that thing now. He's just blowing it off. And now, once that's done, we're gonna try and get it in the shop, and I don't know, it'll be interesting to see how this works. So the game plan is to pull that unit in the shop as far as possible until we don't think we can get that front tractor out, and then we will try and flip it around and hook the hitches together and then push it in the rest of the way. Now we're gonna have to try and get out and jimmy it around. I don't know how well this will work, but I guess we shall see. If we can get onto the cement, we'll be fine, but we're kind of dead in the water. Well, you know, we're desperate when we got the lawn tractor out to help pull that thing in, but he's trying to reposition and get it pointed a bit more, you know, that way so that we can fit in here a bit better. But we'll see what happens. There we go. He's definitely got a bit better angle on it. You can see it's moved over a lot on that track. Very nice. It's actually working pretty well having those hitches hooked together. It allows them to kind of go forward and backwards and really fine-tune how this tractor is pointing. Fast and the Furious Farm Edition coming at you hot with Versatile. Drifting! Woo! working on that tractor that caught fire. It is in the shop now, and so first thing I'm coming up with a list. I need to get everything on it that I need to order in order to put this thing back together. Then once I can get the parts ordered, I will take it all apart and make sure it's ready to go for when the parts come in. And then you don't spend a ton of time waiting and doing little stuff here and there. It's just boom, inspect, come up with a list, order parts, and then when it comes in, have it ready to go. And your jobs will get a lot more efficient and quick.